customer want to take advantage of the VPN software integrated into IP phones without replacing all of their IP phones. Which model of IP phones can be converted to VPN phones with a bin file upgrade? Option A, 1616. Option B, 4602. Option C, 4612. Option D, 4620. The correct answer is option D. A customer has multiple IP offices connected using IP trunks. The systems have installed and working for over 3 years. Users recently are reporting that they are not able to dial between sites. Which 3 actions would be considered best practice approaches for resolving the issue? Choose 3. Option A. Duplicate the issue and obtain traces. Option B. Upgrade or downgrade the IP office core software to fix the issue. Option C. Research possible causes and implement a solution. Option D. Test and document the results of the implemented solution. Option E. Replace hardware outside warranty. The correct answer is option A, C, D. The customer wants to rack mount an IP system. The room that the system will be installed in has a width rack with space in it. From the list of additional equipment below, what will be needed to install the system in a rack? Option A. A standard 19 rack. Option B. Yellow 2-meter interconnect cables. Option C. An uninterruptible power supply. Option D. An IP400 rack mounting kit. The correct answer is option A. After upgrading an IP office to an IP, a customer reports that their third-party call accounting software does not connect to the previously installed IP office Delta server. How can this be resolved? Option A. Upgrade Delta server to the latest release using the IP office admin software. Option B. Re-evaluate the accounting package since IP office does not support Delta server beyond 5.0. Option C. Change the default port of 8080 for the Delta server to a different port number to avoid the port conflict. D. Set the IP office seed record format to enhanced using the IP office manager application. The correct answer is option B.